I'm very excited to talk to you about omegas. Because, guys, look at this. The most important part here, look, essential fatty acid means, essential means we don't make them. We need to obtain them. For me, it's very exciting to talk about fish oils because I'm a vegan. And I'm a vegan for many, many years. And I'll tell you, I get my plant-based omegas in plenty way. I eat my chias and a flax and a hemp now. But as a vegan, as a Russian, I play a Russian roulette. Vegans hardly ever convert plant-based omega fatty acids into these guys, into DHA and EPA. This to me has to be fish-based. This you can get from the plants. Now, look at this. Omega-3 fatty acids affect huge numbers of genes that reverse changes in our metabolic profile, in our transcriptome, proteins, genes that can improve reduction of this free radical, can improve mitochondrial health, can increase our mitochondrial numbers and take care of some genes. In fact, in specific studies, omega-6 fats change the expression of 610 genes in men and 250 genes in women. Now, let's talk about those famous EPA and DHA. Look, EPA and DHA are found in highest quantities in marine sources, such as fish oils, such as mostly fatty, cold fish oils. Ding, ding, ding. Where are our omegas coming from? They come from cod-like species from cold Atlantic waters. Look, EPA has been well studied as a powerful contributor to the cardiovascular system. It has also been shown to improve and stabilize mood and improve mobility. DHA protects the brain and improves memory and is especially important for brain development in kids. As a Russian, I grew up with my mother bringing me fish oils every day in a tablespoon or dessert spoon. The brain is made mostly of an omega-3 fatty acids called DHA and contain the highest concentration in the body of DHA. Furthermore, in the brain, the areas that are related to the memory have the highest concentration of DHA. DHA helps to stimulate physical changes that underlie learning and memory by promoting the growth of nerve cells and promoting the communication between those cells, which is called synapse, and aids those membranes, the cell protectors, to preserve their fluidity. They have to be flexible to communicate and sustain that memory. DHA has an anti-stress effect. Now, our omegas contain vitamin D. We all know about vitamin D and calcium in bones. There's a whole lot more to this. And this, to me, again, guys, in Life Vantage, we teach you bundles. Why? Well, look at this. Vitamin D affects microbiota composition and the gut barrier. We need probiotics, right? Vitamin D is also a potent antioxidant and decreases free radicals. Somebody thinking of NRF2 activation? It facilitates balanced mitochondrial activities, preventing oxidative stress-related protein oxidation, rancidation or peroxidation of fats, and DNA damage. And we just covered NRF1 activation of mitochondrial biogenesis and mitochondrial health. Now, Vitamin D increases production of the master antioxidant glutathione. So again, you start looking at the complex and the synergy of what we have available. Vitamin D aids in healthy and graceful aging process. A study showed that vitamin D deficiency is associated with increased odds of functional and behavioral issues in elderly of the United States population. Another study shows that low vitamin D status was associated with decreased capacity of multiple aspects of our memory, particularly in females. Vitamin D is extremely important in our process of thinking. So guys, before I get to my last quote, I like Life Vantage. Well, I'm a person that needs to know why, needs to understand, needs to see how simple and how clean the products are. I already told you, let's say I'm a vegan, food quality is paramount to me. So talking about our products, how simple they are and how clean they are. I already mentioned 5 ingredients in that synergy in NRF1 per tandem. Now, let's think of our omegas. What I have discovered lately, I mentioned to you that the fish catch happens in cold Norwegian Atlantic Ocean waters in a certain period of time of the year. But what happens is when they catch that fish, the fish is not rotting or something. In the first 6 hours, that fish is processed and the oils are extracted. That's why our product is so clean and so yummy tasting. And after that 6 hours, the product is shipped for some purification. So amazingly clean. So I would like to finish with a quote. Nothing in life is to be feared. It is only to be understood. Now is the time to understand more so that we may fear less. Thank you, Madam Mary Curie. Thank you very much. And thank you for the, again, thank you for the opportunity to share a part of my knowledge with all of you.